My name is Chief Homann from the Yankton Stewart Installation, and I'm here to invite you to come to Serpent Mound around March 18th to the 20th. And this is a very beautiful time because all over the world and sacred places, such as the Yucatan and Mexico and all this, they're going to celebrate this time of Equinox, which is this ceremony of awakening. Spring equinox and everything comes back into their vibrancy and it comes back into life again. So Serpent Mound is a very special place, as you know, and it works with this cosmic remembrances of this cosmic serpent, which engulfs all the constellations of what we follow in this lifetime. So come and join us. There'll be many speakers, many singers, there'll be some dancers, there'll be different speakers that can carry a lot of information, a lot of history, a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom for you. So dream time is best time, so follow your dreams. When you dream about Serpent Mound, come over so we could all come together and do something, and make something happen that's going to benefit humanity.
Come together, come together, come together, heal your heart, heal your land. Come together, come together, come together, this land.
Jordane, ne, ne, Jordane, Jordane, ne, ne, Jordane, Jordane, ne, ne, Jordane, 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 hey na Jordane, ne, 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 Jordane. Jordane, ne, ne, Jordane, Jordane, ne, ne, Jordane, 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 hey na Jordane, ne, 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 Jordane.